Alright guys and gals, part 4, throat clearing. Another one we ain't had out in quite a while. The CZ P07. Love this gun. We've got loaded up with 19 rounds. This is a P09 mag. Of course we got the spacer that Papa's Place made for me. That takes up, gives you a full purchase on that dude. Be a little bit slower shooting this because we got 19 rounds in this thing. Now the first 5 is my Lee truncated cone. I only had 5 of them left, so I just topped it off with that. We'll use them, and then we're going to use the same load that we got done, that we used on the dagger with the tight group. So here we go. Hopefully we can do a little bit better with this one. All right. We hit it. Got a ringing in my ear. Notice I'm half deaf in my left ear. Okay, here we go. Now don't shoot too quick now. Come on, get it back on the target. There we go. Jerk that trigger, dummy. Well, I think I'm letting it dip on me. There we go. Just take your time, I guess. I ain't no hurry here. You do things right, it always works out better for some reason, don't it? I'm getting old, man. That's a lot of rounds in this magazine. My shoulders are hurting. Gotta love getting old. Finally. There you go. We got her done. CZ P07. Really like this gun, I really do. It's done me well. I haven't shot it as much as I should, but this is a good time to clear the throat out of it, get some of the cobwebs out of it. If you like videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. Comments welcome. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present. Now I got to take a break.